This is Koen. I just wanted to say welcome to the class. There will, I'm trying to make this class as simple as I possibly can. So one of the things I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to make a PowerPoint. And most of you know how to do PowerPoint pretty well. And if you don't, there are lots of tutorials that we can use and ways that we can implement that. The second thing that I want you to do is I want you to practice making some other types of PowerPoint. So taking the same content, but applying it in a little different way. And so what I want you to do is I want you to create a PowerPoint. Then I'm going to ask you to create a Prezi, which is somewhat like a PowerPoint, where PowerPoint is typically linear. Prezi is more fluid in its motion. And we'll talk about some of the warnings that you'll need to pay attention to when creating a Prezi. So we'll have a PowerPoint that gets created. We'll create a Prezi presentation tool. We'll also create Present Me, and Present Me is a combination of PowerPoint and video. And so what it allows you to do is to bring those two pieces together so that your pieces are much more dynamic, right? So your students get to see you as well as get to see your content. So those are the two things that we'll work on, and actually that will be your final project. Will be that Present Me document. What I also wanted to do is introduce you to how to make something SCORM compliant. So I'll also introduce something called Educ663. And you'll see the link in the work that you have to do. And then lastly, I want to make sure that most of our schools or places that we've worked will have something to do with Moodle. And so we'll be introducing how you can actually score quizzes and tests in Moodle. And you'll make those SCORM compliant. You use both Educ663 as well as Aiken format. And I'll explain the Aiken format in the course. And so those are the basic premises of the course. We will also work on some tasks in the course that are related to all of those topics that we just talked about. And lastly, we'll have fun. This will be a great learning time. I'll try to meet with folks on Mondays from 6 to 7 if folks have questions. I'll do a little bit of teaching each week about some of the theories or the processes that we'll be engaged in. But ultimately, this should be a fun course. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to seeing who you become.